Hi everyone and welcome back to your channel IELTS Perfection. If you're new here, I'm Amir and I'm here to help you ace your IELTS test. In today's video, we'll dive into powerful comparison vocabulary and phrases for IELTS Writing Task 1. Let's get started. For showing similarities, we generally use similarly, likewise, in the same way, identical to, comparable to, resembling, in a similar fashion or manner, akin to, or correspondingly.
The proportion of male graduates was similar to that of females, both standing at 55%. The sales of Product A and Product B followed a comparable trend, increasing steadily over the period. The unemployment rates in Germany and France were identical at 6%. The proportion of renewable energy usage in Canada was akin to that in Sweden, both accounting for nearly 40% of total energy consumption.
For showing differences, we use the words and phrases like in contrast, on the other hand, whereas, while, however, differed from, distinct from, contrary to, conversely, a sharp distinction, unlike, notably different, or in opposition to.
1. The number of tourists visiting coastal areas dropped significantly, whereas the figures for mountainous regions rose by 25%. 2. Men spent more time on physical activities, in contrast to women, who preferred cultural events. 3. The performance of the company in 2023 was notably different from the previous year, with a 15% drop in sales. 4. The sales of smartphones surged by 25% in 2022, contrary to the 10% decline in tablet sales during the same year.
Next category is quantitative comparisons. These will definitely help you score higher if you use them in your writing. The phrases are twice as much, 3 times more or less than, half as many as, a third of, 4 times greater than, nearly double or half of, and marginally higher or lower.
1. The number of passengers using public transport was twice as high as those using private vehicles. 2. Online sales were nearly double those of traditional retail sales. 3. The consumption of electricity in rural areas was only a third of that in urban regions. 4. The average monthly salary in Canada was marginally higher than that in America, at $3,200, compared to $3,150.
If you have any words or phrases in mind that you think can be useful, please comment them below and let others learn them. See you in the next lesson.